¿Eso?
Yeah.
You gotta move all the stuff.
No. 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 No.
Traumatic have to be my nervous check.
I am not that strong.
Oh my.
He's undoing the bed because they're gonna take it later on to the apartment. I'll start this little vlog of my brother moving out because I couldn't be happier.
She's sad.
I am very excited.
She wants to cry.
My parents are undoing my brother's bed because he's gonna come right now and he's gonna take it to the apartment. They're basically already moving everything.
It's not even you anymore.
What?
You know what to do with yourself.
Say you'll remember me standing in a nice dress.
Perros.
Brianna.
Dale una foto.
Look at that. Oh my god, it feels so weird being on this side of the room.
You don't wanna fight with us. We big dogs, you don't fight the wolves. Hey, Robert.
Taking out the bed. They already finished undoing it. You wanna take out the CRV or are you busy? I can get to take out the CRV? Let me find out I can drive again. Mucho cuidado porque no tengo aseguranza. I'm gonna take out my car. I literally dropped my camera. It's so hot.
What is that?
That door was closed, but we loaded the truck, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. What it looks like. This is what the truck looks like. Say hi. You know I hate going on my mom's side. Cause like sitting on the left side of the truck.
Brianna, what is this?
What? Oh, put done.
What did you do?
Done. I'm giving you money. Look at my favorite tia. I need to bring the toilet paper. Hi, Grandpa. You can't even see him. Oh, no, you can. The camper is basically empty already. You got thirsty? Don't ever say I didn't do anything. They had you. Oh! I'm not. So we came back to my brother's apartment so that my parents can take up the mattress. It's so empty in here. Hi guys.
No!
We're currently cleaning under my bed. Pa, how do I look in glasses? I can't even put them on. Oh, I'm blind. I'm gonna clean under my bed because my dad's gonna take down the walls. So there's gonna be powder all over.
You scream at me when I clean.
I have to put my shoes away.
Bunch of junk in there. Oh, my favorite color. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. Ooh, color.
I kind of forgot I had these. You can leave.
Why am I want to leave?
What? I am a 16-year-old girl in honors.
God, you're 16. You're gonna be 17.
I told the neighbor I was 15. My camera is about to die. I'm gonna clean under my bed and I'll get back to you guys. I really need to focus. This is what under my bed looks like. I'm in bed. We are currently putting on TV in the living room. I'm just watching because I don't want to get screamed at. I'm struggling to put on the TV. I'm really going to the car because I need to go get some pliers from my dad. We finally got it. My dad made a bunch of holes. Hey y'all, here's me and Milo. We're currently at the apartment. I'm not helping because I have school. I just got home at 34. Me and my dad came home because there's nothing we could do, but my mom did stay over there to help them. They have some pillows right there that they're still gonna take. Open that door up. I don't know if we're still gonna keep that. This is all of mine. Let me do it. You said we weren't gonna hit it until we got the thing. What if they don't have any?
Chingale.
Hi guys, it's a new day. It's June 2nd, I believe. As you can see, my dad put a hole in the wall because we're gonna take down 2 of the walls, I think, and we're gonna get what is it called again? Not drywall. Right now we're gonna go to Costco to like get some food and stuff, but I also want to see this comforter that I saw. I don't know if we're gonna go to Home Depot to get like the stuff we need for the walls. I saw this thing on TikTok. I'll put it in a video right now.
Stupid fucking dinosaur! Excuse me? Excuse me?
Basically just like a nightlight for kids. It's so cute, and I want to see if they have some at Home Depot. Oh, let me show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing my Champion slides that are so wrecked and disgusting. Ooh.
Todas se te ven, miren, bien chingón.
Every time I'm calling, she say she gonna call me back.
Y luego,
Bien, bien ching.
bien chingón, bien perrón.
Don't ever say I don't help. Look at that. They literally left me the heaviest thing ever, which is the mat. Acting like I'm gonna carry that.
To the back.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
VIP.
Go ahead, be gone with it.
Drinks on me.
Go ahead.
You left me the heaviest thing.
Where is it?
In the car. I can't take it out. There's a whole line at Home Depot. I'm so tired. They're in the back. I got all dirty with the drywall, but we just finished. I did not have my light, which I'm so mad about, but they did have some pickup in stores next to me, but it's the dinosaur, not the unicorn, so I'm sad that they don't have the unicorn, but I think I just might get the dinosaur. It's fine. 131 drywall, because we're gonna fix the walls. We're gonna take them down and put that in, and then we got some of this. This is joint compound. Got some sand. I don't know, this isn't sandpaper. I just know this is to like file down the wall. There, we got some primer because we're gonna repaint my room, and then some screws.
Are screws still new? I think so.
I got home a couple minutes ago. While I was on my way back home from Home Depot, I ordered the light that I wanted. It's order pickup. My order just went through. It takes like 2 hours. Later on today, I'm gonna start taking stuff out of my room because tomorrow my dad is gonna start destroying my walls and start putting the new walls in. My mom's taking out all my clothes from my closet. I'm so mad. They canceled my order. So Home Depot just emailed me telling me that my order is canceled because they no longer have any in stock. They shouldn't have let me order in the first place.